Join me as we create a captivating church event flyer from scratch using Adobe Photoshop. Add the background. Set opacity to 85%, fill to 77%. Now I'm going to add another image. Now we are going to set the opacity to 86% and the fill to 43%. Click on adjustment layer and choose solid color. Choose white. Send it at the bottom of the layers. Now add the subjects. And with the help of the quick selection tool, select the subject and create a layer marks for each of them. Alright, now arrange them according to your preference. Now click on the layer marks of each and with the brush tool selected and black as the foreground, gradually erase the ends. Now, apply the layer marks. But before that, we need to rasterize the layers. To do that, you have to go to Layer, Rasterize, then click on Layer. Click on the marks, right click, click on Apply Layer Marks. Do the same for the other layers. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and also if you have any questions, ask in the comment section below. Now back to it. Add the names of each of the subjects with the help of the text tool. Now, add the date, time, and name of the church, as well as the location. Add the logo and the name of the church. add a title. Click on 3D and follow carefully. Now click on layer style and then choose drop shadow. That's the end. Hope you liked it. See you in the next tutorial. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.